Hello everyone and welcome back to Hello High, and today is part 2 of how to use the HelloHigh Ultra Infuser. And today I'm showing you how to make tincture using the Ultra Infuser. And if you haven't gotten your Ultra Infuser already, you can pick that up at hellohighcooks.com, or you can pick it up on Amazon, and it's available for Amazon Prime. I'll make sure I leave both of those links below. And we are using Everclear, and it is safe to use Everclear in the Ultra Infuser. So let's get started. For this infusion, you'll need Everclear, a cheesecloth or coffee filter, and of course the Ultra Infuser. Before we start, I did decarb using the decarb function on the infuser, but because of the YouTube community guidelines, I will not show that process, but the flowers are in the infuser. After you plug your infuser in, you should see a screen that looks like this with the interfacing ease, and that means the lid is not attached and will not work. Now I'm using 1 cup of Everclear for this infusion. That is the minimum amount for the infuser, and the maximum amount you can use is 3 cups. That makes this the perfect infuser if you want to preserve your cannabis or make small batch infusions. Close the lid by sliding it into its locking position. Once the blue LED lights are illuminated, it means the lid is secure and ready to infuse. The infuser consists of 4 infusion settings and a time and temperature control. Using the select button on the top left side of the display panel, touch select until you reach the option for tincture. The tincture option is set to infuse for 4 hours. Select the start button and begin infusing. You will hear the infuser start to heat up, and when it reaches the set temperature, the inner blade will rotate and sound like this. The blade only rotates to maintain the set temperature to provide a consistent infusion throughout the process. 20 seconds left until this infusion is finished, and when the infusion ends, you'll hear a series of beeps that sound like this. And the word "end" will appear on the display. After unlocking the lid, your tincture will look like this, and now it's time to strain. Now I prefer to use a reusable coffee filter with tincture because it's easy to clean and it can be reused over and over again. Now I let the tincture cool off and strain for about 20 minutes, and then it looked like this. Now you'll notice that I didn't end up with the same full cup that I started with. Now this is because there are vents in the lid that help evaporate the alcohol while it's infusing to help you get a more potent tincture. Then I poured my tincture in my glass mason jar for storage, and that is how you make tincture in the Ultra Infuser. Thank you guys for sticking around and allowing me to show you how to make Green Dragon tincture with the HelloHigh Ultra Infuser. And if you haven't picked one up already, you can go to hellohighcooks.com, or you can purchase one on Amazon, and it is available for Prime delivery. So make sure you guys follow me on all of my social media, Instagram, HelloHighOfficial, on Facebook, HelloHighOfficial. You can find me on the Cannabis app. At Hello High. You can find me on Twitter at HelloHigh_, and I will see you guys on the next video.